Yes, we're back. Day 21, part 2. 111 na. Nanalo tayo ng third ladder using expect the reversal technique. Kaya medyo mabilis tayo. So, $4 more and we are done. Yung GBP USD biglang nagwala. So, lipat tayo. AUD USD. This is pero sakay tayo na isa. Pili tayo ng bago. Biglang pumula. Yun. Yun o. Kalain mo yun. Last 2 seconds. Ayoko na dyan. Ito rin. Hindi tayo magsimula sa ilalim. Do not risk trading your money in very volatile market. Volatile pa rin yan. Pag madaming mga ganyan singit-singit, yan, masama yan. Oops, pero mukhang mababa na. Nilagpasan niya ito. Pag bumaba pa ito, lower tayo. Yan. 5. Galing naman tumahimik. Pagkapindot mo ng lower, tumaas. $3 more. Down, baby. All right. Oh, yeah. That's a win. Tuloy-tuloy na yan. Inshallah. Oops, there's a pump and it's big. And it could be like this. One more. You decide faster. Will it go down or go up? Will it reverse or not? But since nag-red, lower tayo dyan. Isa pang red at red. Ay! Medyo na late pero it's not yet too late to win and to dream another new dream. We are blessed today. This will be the last trade kasi 9 plus 3 using ladder. Good lang pala yun. Pero makukuha natin yung dalawang tag. Ay, isa lang pala. 115. Bang. Alright. Today is a blessed day. Today is a profitable day. Today is awesome day. Today is great day. So, we have successfully win the 10% of the capital. So, 105, panalo tayo ng $10. And then, day 20 to 115 na yung puhunan natin. So far, 116 dapat ang pinakamataas na naging capital. Malapit na tayong matapos. And sa pagre-record natin itong ating documentation ng 10% compounding interest effect, nagkaroon tayo ng idea na gumawa ng isang system. Isang system na napakadaling gamitin, napakadaling gayahin, tularan, and we need testers, joiners, na magpo-prove nito, different walks, different age of life. Sa mga interested at sa mga nanonood talaga nito, kung meron man, please feel free to PM me in my Facebook or Messenger account. That's M-I-K-E-L, Mikel, Sparkle, S-P-A-R-C-L-E. And my Facebook account again. Or, ano pa ba? Yun lang siguro. Thank you so much. Good day. God bless everyone. Happy trading. Let's win some trades. Do it. I bless you all, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.